y equal to x plus 5 and plot x1. Okay, can you copy into MATLAB? Okay, before you start anything, you have to put the clear, close all, and CLC. And you can also put your name, say my name. Okay, and try to run it. In week 2, okay, so you will get this graph. Okay, if you use plot XY, you see there's no title, there's no axis title for X and also Y, right? Okay, there's no title for axis X and also for axis Y. Okay, just and all of the scaling here is using by the default setting in MATLAB. So it will be 1 unit, and this one also start with 6. It doesn't start, this one x-axis start with 1 and y-axis start with 6. Okay, this is auto set up by MATLAB. But actually, we can also start with origin, okay, which is 0, 0. But the one we're going to look at that later. Okay, so now, okay. Okay, so you can also put the semicolon. Okay, so let's say you want to save space. You want to save space, okay, because this one like taking a lot of like space, right? Okay, so you can put the semicolon, okay, at the end of the line. Okay, so you put semicolon here, you put semicolon here, then you run it. So you see here, your common window is clean. Okay, nothing appear here. Okay, this one we call it as figure window. Okay, this one we call it as figure window. Okay, everyone got the plot? Yeah? Okay. So next is, okay, we can also, let's say you want to plot a number from 0 to 10 and the increment is 1. Okay, the increment, so we use colon operator. What is colon operator? This one. Okay, this is the colon operator. So which means that from 0 to 10, okay, it will increase by 1 unit. So 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10. Okay, then stop. So we generate X value. Okay, so if you do 0 to 10, okay, actually it will create a value, okay, that will automatically increase by 1 unit. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, let's say I want to do an increment value of X. Okay, it increased by 0 to 10 by 1 unit. Okay, because I don't want to use the previous code anymore, so I put the percentage symbol here. Okay, so that you will not run the previous code. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, then you see that X is 0, 1, 2 until 10. Okay, so let's say, okay, I want to omit this one. Okay, I don't want to do the increment. I want to test. So this one, by default, it will be the same, which is 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10. So now, let's say I want to increase by 2. Okay, I want to increase by 2. So it will be here, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, so let's say I increase there 0 to 10. Okay, I run section. Okay, now I want to use my Y again, and I want to plot my new X and my new Y. Okay, I want to plot my new X and the old Y. Right? Okay, so I run section. So you see here, now it start with 0 until 10. Okay, and x plus, so it will be 2 and y will be 7, right? Okay, when it's 4, okay, y will be 4 plus, it will be 9. Okay, 6 plus 5 will be 11 and so on. Okay, so this is how you do plot. By default, there's no axis value, there's no title, there's no, and the scale is up to MATLAB to decide it. Do you get it? You get it? Yeah, okay. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Okay, we know how to set X and Y, we know how to plot it. Okay, look at. Okay, so another function that commonly used sometimes, okay, we do alternatively, okay, we want to use the semicolon. Let's say you don't want to, you can also use lin space. What is that? It's a linear space vector, okay, linear, generate linear space vector. So let's say you do y is equal to lin space x1, x2. So which means that between x1, x2, they will create a row vector of 100. Okay, they will create a row vector of 100 value. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's say I want to do lin space 0, 10. Okay, so which means that I will get 100 value between 0 to 10. Okay, 100 equal value. So you see here, okay, this is a row vector. Column 1, 0, 0.11, column 3, 0.202, and the last value is 10. So you will get 10 value. Actually 100 value between 0 to 10. Okay, but let's say you don't want a 0 to 10 for 100 value. You don't want that. Okay, you only want only 11 values. So which means 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10. So it has 11 values. So it will create 11 value here. 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10. You have a 11 value. So I put a lin space 0, 10, 11. Okay, let's say here, I don't want is 11, but instead of it, I want to have a 21 value between 0 to 10. Okay, so I write it. So you see here, I will get 21 value from 0 to 10. You start with 0, 0 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and so on. Okay, usually for graph, okay, we don't want to create the semicolon. We usually for graph, we sometimes we use colon, sometimes we use lin space. Okay, up to us which thing that convenient us the most. Okay, now I want to plot lin space 0, 10, 21. Okay, and y is equal to x plus 5. Okay, then I want to plot x and y. Okay, so this is my my new graph. Okay, where I create lin space 0 until 10, which has 21 value. Okay, and y is x plus 5, then I plot x. Okay, then I plot x5. Okay, so you know that when we run here, we don't get any title. Okay, so MATLAB need us to key in what title is it. Okay, MATLAB asks us to key in what title is it. Okay, so you put the title, okay, so the apostrophe, then the name of your graph. So let's say here, plot of x plus 5. Okay, plot of x plus 5. Okay, so here, let's say I want to do plot x plus 5. Okay, so you run section. Okay, you see on top of the graph, the title is appeared. The title is displayed there. You see it? Hello? Morning. Do you get it? The title? Okay. But you see here, axis is not specified yet, right? Okay, we're going to look at that later. Okay. So there's the many ways for you to create your title. You can change color, you can do subtitle, you can do mathematical equation, you can even italic it, bold it, everything you can do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you a bit of this and that. Okay, how to make our title variety. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here you see we put here title, font size 18, color, red. Okay, so after you put the font size, followed by color, okay, then followed by the name of it. Okay, so plot of slash it is italic. So I want to x plus 5 to be italic. Okay, what is italic? No italic, right? Okay, italic. So a bit, it's like not cursive, but yeah, italic. I don't know how to explain it in English, but it's italic. Okay, bold also you can change it. Okay, so please copy that code and run it in like MATLAB. Okay, so the same graph, but now you add the title, but red color. You see previously the font is a bit smaller, but now font size is 16. Okay, by default, font size is actually 14. 12. Sorry, 14. Yeah, 14. Okay, so you see here, this x plus 5 is a bit italic. Okay, it's a bit to the right, italic. Okay, so this one, when you create a title of red color, okay, and also x plus 5 is italic. Okay, there's more variety of graph. Okay, okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, now, okay, you can also, now we want to add x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we want to add x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so label the x-axis of the current axis of chart by written by the GCA command. Okay, reissuing the X label, comma replace the old label with new label. Okay, so now, okay, we want to add this X label, italic, X. So this one italic only for X. Okay, Y label, italic Y, then followed by axis. Can you copy it, then put it in your code? Okay, you start with X list space 0, 10, 11, Y is equal to X plus 5, title plot of X plus 5. Okay, then we specify title 18, size 18. Oh, sorry, it's not size 16, I thought 16. 18, color red. Okay, let's say I want to change this time. I want to make it color blue. Okay, then the title name is plot of X plus 5, but X plus 5 is italic. Then my X label will be, okay, this one across P, please correct it using your, sometimes when you copy and paste, okay, it will be a bit, the symbol will be changed. Okay, so italic X axis, then you run it. Okay, so this is your full graph. Okay, you see, now I change into blue. Okay, x plus 5 is italic, y-axis, x-axis. X is italic, y is italic. Axis is not italic. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, this is how you do it, a simple graph in MATLAB. Okay, a simple graph in MATLAB. Okay, this is how you do a simple graph in MATLAB. Are you following me? Yeah? Okay, girls at the back, are you following me? Okay, good. Okay, now, okay, close it. Okay, there's many ways for you to save your graph. Okay, first of all, you can click File. Okay, then Save. Okay, then, yeah, here. You can put it. Now, by default, MATLAB will save it in a figure, F-I-G, the fig. Okay, the fig file. Okay, you can also change into, let's say you want it in PNG, also can, because let's say you want to use it in LaTeX. LaTeX usually use JPEG and also JPG and also PNG. You can also change to JPEG. Again, JPEG image also can. So it's up to you how to save it. Okay, for me, if I want to save it, I just save it using this button. Okay, but you can also put it like save as. Okay, here. But I think both of us want a shortcut. Just put it here, save as, and yeah, save any value that you want. Okay, this is a linear graph, right? Okay, what if I want to create? Okay, this is a linear graph. This one I put it on hold first. Okay, what if I want to create an exponential graph? Okay, what if I want to create an exponential graph? Okay, so please copy my code, plot 110. Okay, plot 110 to the power of 2. Okay, so you see this, I put this dot. Why I put this dot? So which means that every element from 1 until 10 will be powered by, will be exponential, will be have a degree of 2. Okay, so 1 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2, until 10 to the power of 2. Okay, each element will be power of 2. Okay, then after that, you just put title as my title. Okay, so you get exponential graph like this. Okay, please copy it because this time around, I think many people here, so I will not share the code this time. Okay, only for selected exercise. Okay, so this is like my title. Do you get it? Okay, so let's say I don't want to use my title, but instead of it, because I do a lot of programming, okay, so I want to put my title as my graph title as the date where I do this programming. So I put as title bracket date. So you see here, it will be 14 February 2025. Okay, so let's say you run it tomorrow, it will be 15 February because it follows you the latest, the current date. Okay, do you get it? Yeah, okay. Now, I want to begin with not back to the linear graph. Okay, but I want to create a subtitle. Okay, so previously we only have title, but now it's subtitle. Okay, so for subtitle, we use square bracket TS. What is TS? T is title, S is subtitle. Okay, so my title will be straight. My subtitle will be, so then I put comma, see, comma. My subtitle will be slope equal to 1, y-intercept equal to 0. Okay, you can continue, but because I want to begin with the next line, so I put dot, 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 color, which is blue color, okay, and you can run it. Okay, so this one is only plot from 0 to 1, okay, a straight line. So you see here, I have a subtitle here. Okay, slope 1, y-intercept is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, this is by default, they use 12 or 14 font size, I can't remember. Okay, 12 or 14. Okay, this is, and also blue color. Okay, now I want to change title to be a bit bigger, which is in size 16, and my subtitle font, okay, I want to change it to become italic. Okay, so I put T, which is my title, font size equal to 16, as dot font angle, I put it as italic. Then I run it. Okay, so you see here, this one 16, a bit bigger, the font size, and all these subtitle is all italic. Okay, it's all italic. Okay, now I want to add x-axis and y-axis. Okay, I want to add x-axis and y-axis. So I put here as x label. Okay, italic x-axis and y-axis. So I run. So you see here, the x and y axis is labeled accordingly. Okay, now your task, can you change straight line color to be pink and the subtitle color, I want it to be in black. Okay, change the main title, straight line to be pink. Okay, slope y intercept, no, not pink, yeah, red, sorry. Straight line color to be red. And the subtitle line, subtitle text, okay, to be in black. Can you do it now? Okay, this one I put all red color. Okay, I forgot. Later on, we will learn how to change this. Okay, because we have to use the other command. Sorry. Okay, we have to do other command. Next, we will learn it how to separate it between the main title and the subtitle to use different color. Okay, after this, okay? Because we have other command. Okay, now we also have alternative way, okay, to change, to use this, because you see, TS is a lot of things to do, right? Okay, another thing is, okay, you can use like this title, okay, but this one, it will be in the same, size. Okay, can you copy the code, please? Can you copy the code? Okay, so we start with figure. What does it mean? Okay, what does it mean? It means that we want to open the figure window. Okay, we want to open the figure window. Okay, then plot 1, 10, okay, to the power of 2, and title will be first line, second line. Okay, first line and second line. Okay, so you see here, we also have title and subtitle, but it is in the same font size. Okay, you can also specify to be blue color, black color, blue. Okay, and also you can also specify the size. Okay. Okay, let's say I want to do italic for second line. Okay, let's say I want to do italic for second line. So slash, okay, IT, okay, then curly bracket, okay, then curly bracket here. So you see here, my first line is normal, but my second line is italic, second line. Okay, if you use R or latex, okay, you get used to this kind of italic bold and all that. Okay, did you get it? Yeah, you get it? Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. Next is, okay, I want to use, okay, my title. Okay, my title I want to put is okay, as value. Okay, so you see here, I open a figure window, then I plot the same thing, but I put in one point, which is when F is equal to 70, C is equal to F minus 32 over 1.8. Okay, then I put the title as temperature is, okay, so what is it? It is number, but num2 str is actually number 2 string. So which means that number 2 string for C. Okay, C is, okay, let's say I put it like this first. Wait. Now, I see that my C is equal to 21.1111. Okay, so I want to change 21.111 into, because I want to make it as a part of my title. So I put this num3, then I add C. Okay, so please run it. Okay, so you see here, okay, if you didn't put it here, which means that, okay, you don't know what is the C value is not appear here. Okay, so temperature is 21.111 C degrees Celsius. okay? Are you following me? Yeah, okay. Now, okay, what if I want to plot the same thing? Okay, so is it compulsory to type the figure? No, it's not compulsory. You can also just omit it. Like my next coding. Okay, so plot the same thing. So I put font size black, color magenta. Okay, but now, okay, the font here is black. Sorry, color magenta. Okay, and color, this one is RGB, is the code. Okay, is the code of the color 0.5.5 till color. This one red, then I put here black again. So you see here, every words I specify in different color. Okay, all in 16.16. This one is black color, and after that I write magenta in also in magenta color. Okay, till here I specify it in this color 0. Okay, for color code, RGB color code. Okay, for RGB color code, we have three codes. Okay, we have three codes. Like after this, I will show you. Okay, and after that, I put as red. Okay, color red, and black is by default is black. Okay. We don't have to specify it. Okay, so now this one. Okay, for color RGB code, okay, you can just find it in MATLAB help. Okay, how to find MATLAB help? I think I showed you just now. Is just write it. Okay, then okay, open help browser. Okay, then you can search as color RGB. Actually, not color. Okay, so this is the color. Okay, RGB triplet. So red is, you can also put red, but short name is R. Okay, RGB triplet is 100. And previously I used sorry, I used teal, right? Okay, I used teal. Okay, so it's 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. 0, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so this is the color code for RGB. Okay, this is like normal, and this one is more specification that have a shading and different shade, different brightness and all. Okay, so this is the like the by default. Okay, this okay, black is short name is K. It's not B. K. B is for blue. Okay, black is 000. Yellow is 110. Okay, so this is the RGB triplet for MATLAB color. Okay, now, let's, if you want to make a mathematical symbol as the title, okay, if you want to make the mathematical symbol as the title, Okay, so can you copy my coding here? Okay, so now I use colon operator 0 until 0.2 and it increased by 0.1 unit, 0.01 unit, and y is exponent negative 25 times t, okay, times t. Okay, then I open a figure window, plot ty, then I put the title as y is equal to, okay, slash ite, sorry, slash italic e exponent to the power of lambda t. Color is blue. Okay, you see here, y is equal here is not italic, but start from exponent is italic exponent to the power of lambda t. Okay, lambda is to the power of lambda t. Okay, so this is okay, the output for this coding. You get it? Yeah. Okay. So now, okay, we also have much character in MATLAB. Okay, so if you want to use alpha, it is slash alpha. If you want to use angle, slash angle. Okay, if you want to use the star sign, which is asterisk. Okay, this is all the this is all the name. Okay, this is all the name that not all, some of it. Okay, name in MATLAB. Okay, so let's say I want to put this one diamond suit. Okay, I want to put diamond suit in my coding. Yeah, let's say I want to put diamond suit in my coding. Also can. Slash diamond suit. Okay, so you see here, I got a diamond symbol here. Diamond symbol here. Okay, so I just want to play around. That's how you do it. Okay. Okay. Next is if you want, okay, to okay, let's see. If you want to include subscript and superscript. Okay, if you want to put subscript and superscript, okay, for subscript we use this symbol, okay, to the alpha to the power of 2. Alpha is alpha, and subscript you use underscore. Subscript you use underscore. So this also is exponential graph. So you see here, alpha to the power of 2. So and x1. So this is the subscript. But this one is not italic, right? Okay, it's not italic. I can also add here slash italic, it, then curly bracket. I want alpha, but n words I don't want to use italic. So slash italic. Okay. So you see here, alpha square is italic and have superscript. N is normal, no italic. X1, I put is italic again. Okay. And have subscript, which is X underscore 1. Okay, now same. I want you to add X label and Y label. Can you do it for me? Okay. I want to put X label and Y label. Okay, so you just add X label, Y label. Okay, now you get it? The label? Just copy and paste because I didn't put the value of anything in X. Yeah? Okay. So this is how you do like a basic graph. Okay, now back to our slide. Okay, so in your quiz, in your final assessment or anything, if you want to submit your work to me, okay, please write your name and title of script at the first and second line by using comment. This one. Okay, so let's say, okay, here, before anything else, the first one you have to put here, Lana. Okay, so today is what? Lecture 3, right? I put here, lecture 3. Okay, then continue with my coding. Okay, so that I will know. So let's say quiz 1, right? Okay, you put here, quiz 1, question 1, something like this. Okay, so this, don't just submit to me empty. Okay, please do something do like this before you start your coding, so that I will know it's belong to you, right? Okay, and also what question that you are answering. Okay, put here like this, Lana, quiz 1. Okay, then after that, okay, please put clear. Clear means you want to wipe out all of the workspace variable that you have saved before. Close all and CLC. CLC means you don't want anything in your window. Close all means, let's say you have a figure window pop out, so you want to close everything too. You understand? Okay, so you put clear, close all CLC. Okay, so this is CLC close all clear. Okay, but mine is not in SQL. Okay, any question? Any question? Okay, now it's 8:55. I give you 5 minutes break before we begin at 9. Thank you.